Good morning. So in this video, we're going to talk about the IXL Skill H.1, which is distinguishing facts from opinions. So this is really important for us to look at and to learn when it comes to reading things like stories we're reading in class, possible passages that you might read on the FSA, and also in the media and in the news today. It's important to really be able to distinguish which things are facts and which are just opinions. You also want to know the difference when you're writing. So in your writing, sometimes we do want to know your opinion. A lot of the times that takes place in your commentary when you're writing an argument or another piece of writing when you're explaining your opinion. But you need to back those opinions up with facts. So it's important to distinguish between the two. When we're looking at the example here, they explain that facts make claims that are based on research, observation, and experimentation. For example, Napoleon Bonaparte was shorter than King Louis, what number is that? The 14th? No, 16th. So they can back that up with research or simply by observation when comparing the height of each man. So that statement is a fact, not an opinion. An opinion makes claims that are based on personal judgments or perspectives. So they can be supported by evidence, but they cannot be definitively proven. So for example, Napoleon Bonaparte was a better leader than King Louis XVI. That is an opinion. Okay, you might be able to support that opinion with facts. You might be able to show examples in history that help you prove that argument, but that is in fact an opinion. Some people may disagree with that. That is not a fact. So let's look at some examples. So this one says, the first one, which sentence states a fact? In the city of Dubrovnik, maybe, in Croatia, located nearly 250 miles from the capital city of Zagreb, is better to visit during the summer festival season. The second statement says, the city of Dubrovnik, Croatia, once had the third largest navy in the Mediterranean. So which one of these is an opinion and which one of these is a fact? Well, the first statement might be supported by facts. If you're arguing that a particular city is better visited during a certain season, they might be able to use some research to support that. Maybe it's not the best to visit during the wintertime because of the amounts of snow that they get. Or maybe in the springtime it rains a lot. But this is in fact somebody's opinion. You should go there during the summer festival season. But this second statement is in fact a fact because they can prove with evidence, or there's research that will show that Croatia, the city in Croatia, has the third largest navy in the Mediterranean. So we're going to select that one, and we've got it. So let's look at these two examples. Guardians of the Galaxy was the most enjoyable film of 2014. Guardians of the Galaxy was released in theaters on July 24th, 2014. So when we look at this second statement, you cannot argue with this fact. There is a fact that this was released in theaters on this date and we can prove it. However, the first statement can be argued. Some people can say that it was the most enjoyable film, but not everyone might agree with that. In fact, some people may have not enjoyed Guardians of the Galaxy. So although you can maybe support this with facts, this is an argument. This is an opinion. The second one, however, cannot be argued. There's evidence that shows that this was the release date in theaters. Let's do one more together. The first statement says that pronghorns are animals that look similar to deer, only cuter. The second statement says the cheetah is the fastest land mammal in the world, followed by the pronghorn. So I want you to think, which one of these is an opinion and which one of these is a fact? If you said that this top statement is an opinion, you are correct. So even though you may think that, or this person believes that these two animals look similar, but that they think the pronghorn is cuter than the deer, that is something that someone might disagree with. That can be argued. The second, however, cannot be argued. It is a fact. There is research that shows that the cheetah is the fastest land mammal in the world, followed by the second animal. So we're going to select that one, and wow, we did it! Terrific! If you need further assistance with H.1 Distinguishing Facts from Opinions, please make sure that you log into my Zoom hours Monday through Friday from 10:30 to 11:30 or in the afternoon from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.